In this video, I'm going to show you a great hack to get free Facebook leads. Now, firstly, what we need is our business manager account and also our Facebook page. If you need help with either of those things, getting that set up, just book in a call with me on the link in the description. But to start with, we're going to create a campaign. So we click create. You want to click leads here, click continue, and then you're going to click manual leads campaign and then click continue. And then you'll be taken here. So just for ease, I've already got most of this set up so that we can get through this quickly for you. So I'm just going to go there. So I've just named the campaign, it doesn't really matter. We just need to make sure this is leads. We can put this anything, doesn't matter. And then we're going to go to the ad set, which is this bit here. We want to make sure this is instant forms. We want to make sure our Facebook page is selected here. All of this is unnecessary to change. And most importantly, we're going to set this well into the future. So because we're not actually going to be spending any money on Facebook, we want to set this in the future, and you'll see why a bit later on. So set that into the future, and then you can go ahead and go to the ad. And here I've just given a real estate example, but this can apply to any other niche. We've just focused on real estate because that's who we serve. So you're going to select your Facebook page again here, and then you can leave the rest. You can copy this. This is an example for a ad that gets seller leads. So this is just an example I've put in here. You're going to put in your picture over here on the right. So this is effectively what the organic post will be on your page. So however you want to make that, you can make it that way. You can also do this for open houses to get buyer leads, just listed campaigns or posts to get buyer leads as well, and also just sold posts as well to get seller leads as well. But in this example, I've just done a seller campaign or seller post. So then we click create form, and here I've just created an example of a form. So we can name it whatever we want. Just make it make sense so that you know what it is in future. We just want to put the intro. So this is what people will see when they click the post. So in this case, just get a cash offer within 48 hours for your home. We put description here. We're just going to collect email, name and phone number here. We need to put our privacy policy in so that people know how we're going to use the data. And then you're just going to fill out this headline, description, and this call to action button can be whatever you want it to be. In this case, I've just put call the business so that whoever is using this can just get a phone call. But most importantly, what we're going to do here is go into settings. This may show over here, or it might be on the right hand side. I know previously it was on the right. And most importantly, we're going to put this as open so that the ad can be shared and anyone can submit this form, not just people who are seeing the ad, because we're not actually going to put any ad spend behind this. So then we click create form, and there's some error here. So we just want to let people know how we're going to use the data. So I've just gone ahead and filled that out now. Now we can create form. And for some reason it's saying it's not a valid phone number. So for some reason it had a plus sign there, but that's done. Now we can create the form. Now we're just going to click publish, but don't worry, this is not going to spend any money because we've set the ad to run at a future date, well into the future. So once that is published, what we then want to do is go into our hamburger menu on the left hand side here. Once this is published, then we want to scroll down and we want to go into page posts. Once we've done that, we're going to click into ad posts, and then we're going to click onto this ad that we just created. I'm going to click actions, and then we're going to click publish, and it says, are you sure you want to publish the selected scheduled post? We're going to click publish, and then we're going to go to the page which we had selected earlier in the campaign, and then we will, once we refresh, we will be able to see that post which we had created. So once we've got to our page, what we can click is share, and now we will be able to share it to feed, we'll be able to share it to your story, we can send it on WhatsApp, and we can also share it to groups, which is great because we can actually share this to groups local to us or that cover our local area, and this can be highly targeted because there is very likely homeowners in that group as well. So that's a great tactic that you can use as well. And then the final thing to do is just to go back onto our ad campaign and just make sure that we have turned off the campaign. So you just simply go back to your ads manager. Just make sure you've got the correct ad accounts selected, click campaigns to find the campaign, and then we're just going to tick this off. And that's it. Now you can get free Facebook leads from just an organic post without paid ads.